Yo, what's up traders? Today I want to make yet again a video about my new strategy, the 50% retracement strategy, one risk to reward. Basically I looked over last week and I noticed that, or this week to be honest, that basically it had a 100% win rate so far for this week. 7 wins I think. So I just wanted to go over them with you guys and check with you guys basically and just showcase the strategy. If you like this sort of content, leaving a like, sub, and comment, and join the Discord, it's very much appreciated. So without further ado, let's get into it. Basically, how the strategy works: as soon as you see like a big engulfing candlestick, you place your Fibonacci retracement. You have only 3 levels to it: the 1, the 0.5, and the 0. So for instance, you're looking at this candle. This one is super bearish, right? All you do is basically wait for price to tap into the 0.5 level. You can also already like enter a stop order or a limit order, and yeah, you basically place your TP at 1 RR or 1.2. Someone in my community tested it, that was actually better overall for the return on investment. But basically you place your stop loss at the top of the candle and you place your TP at the bottom. Basically, the logic behind it is if it's a super bearish candle, like an engulfing bearish candle, the chances of the next candle being also bearish and surpassing the super bearish candle, like the engulfing candle, is higher than basically the next candle breaking above the super bearish candle. That's basically it. So basically it's a pro sort of trend or short-term trend basically strategy. So yeah, let's get into it. These candles don't really qualify. This one does because it's a nice little strong candle, right? It closed strongly above the wick of the previous one, so you place your settings. Basically here it failed to tap, so you wouldn't have entered, otherwise it was a nice win, right? So and basically you place it for this one as well, because I mean this one is beautiful as well. So you place it for this candle. Now this becomes your entry and this becomes your TP. So basically we wait for it to hit. Did it hit? Not yet. And basically again it didn't, or maybe yeah, let's see. Well, very close. So 2 times very close, but didn't hit, but otherwise it would have been a win. So I might have counted these when I looked over it briefly, but okay, so let's do this one then, because this one is also, it engulfed these two, right? So we take this candle now, and let's see. So the TP is here, like basically you've entered like this, stop loss here, TP here for 1 RR. And I'm not sure what hit first. Yeah, your TP hit first, so you would have made money on it. So okay, so that's that one. You would have won. Then I'm not sure if I should hold it here, but because maybe it gets distracting. So then this one obviously is super bearish, right? Like it engulfed 1, 2, 3 candles. So you again place your Fibonacci retracement, you place your TP, you place your stop loss, and let's see what happens. See if we get tapped in or not. Very close. We got tapped in and we take a W. It's very nice with 50 EMA, so that's very good. Then I'm not sure if you would take this one, like preferably this one would have closed above these two or under these two, right? So I'm not sure if you should, but let's just do it for testing sake, right? You would basically wait for price to tap in. Well, it doesn't hit, so you're not in it. This one definitely is interesting because it fully closed behind, like under the structure, right? Super bearish, nice candle. So basically we wait again for price to reach the area, TP, and stop loss at 1 RR. Let's see what happens. Basically we almost got stopped out, as you can see, but yeah, we did get a W here, so another win. Oh, let's make it a little bit bigger, otherwise we miss W. On this one, I wouldn't place one because it's not very, it's not very clean. It's not super engulfing. It leaves a wick that potentially can get filled. So we won't place it here. We won't place it here. This one is a little bit iffy. It is bearish. It has a strong body. So let's just, for testing sake, place it, right? I think overall this would be net profitable, but it's just not that strong. And again, yes, this would have won. Crazy how accurate the 50% is. Like, so many times it just bounces off the 50%. So this one is a win. Then I wouldn't, well, you could actually place on this one as well because it's fully engulfed. So let's just do the same thing. You exit it with a win, place your 50%. Let's see what happens now. So your short would be here on the next candle. Like this. And I think you would have gone stopped out. That's fine. It wasn't the strongest signal. So, but then, yeah, you wouldn't have, there's a thing going on here. Like if you wouldn't have gone for this one, if you wouldn't have gone for this one, right? This candle, but you sort of waited for this one would have won basically. So like this one would have won again. I mean, if you waited for the retracement to this, it would have hit, it would have been a win. But yeah, it wasn't the cleanest candle. Neither of those are the cleanest candles. So yeah, you can also wait for the cleaner ones. As you can see here, there are a lot more cleaner ones in the previous, like in the last few candles. So this one is fine. The wick is a little bit big, but yeah, it's fine. You could definitely go for this one. Short here again, stop loss here, take profit here. Let's see. And again, it just keeps going like it's crazy. So the 50% level seems so strong. Yeah, on this one, it's similar to the other one. I've tested the strategy, but mostly for like the bigger candles. Like I haven't tested it fully for these sort of candles. So yeah, just for testing sake, I'll place it here. Yeah, I think this candle is a little bit too weak for it, but let's just see. Or is this the last candle? Okay, no, this is the last candle of today. So yeah, but I wouldn't really be interested in this one. It's on the 4-hour time frame. I've tested mostly on the USD JPY. A friend of mine in the Discord is currently passing 2 funded accounts with the strategy, only doing USD JPY. He's on a 5-win streak. And as you can see, if you would have traded Euro USD this week, you would have clearly been profitable. Like, I think you would be up like 5 RR or something. So yeah, that's basically the strategy. If you have any questions or whatever, join the Discord, leave a comment, all that good stuff. And yeah, subscribe if you like this sort of stuff. And yeah, I hope this valuable to you guys. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I wish you guys very best on your trading journey. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.